How to insert GIFs in a thread post. Hello everyone, in today's video you'll learn how you can insert GIFs in a thread post. So doing this is simple. Alright, first of all, launch the Threads app and check out recent posts, because automatically you'll be brought to your discover page. Once you're on this page, next step is to move to the bottom part of the screen where you see options like home, search, plus, favorites, profile. Click on the plus icon and then compose your message. So what are you trying to post? You can just type it in the composer here. All right, and then at the bottom part you'll see some tabs like the media icon, camera, then the GIF icon. Select that and you'll be directed to the page where you would see a number of GIFs. So select the one you would like to use. All right, and then post, and just like that your GIFs has been inserted and shared on Threads. So that is it. Thank you and have a wonderful day.